insurance is a type of life insurance where the insured covers himself or herself for a particular period of time. So in the event of death, the death benefit, or some may call sum assured, will be paid to the nominee beneficiary in the policy or the family members. So term insurance is a simple concept where, if the person dies within the time period, then the insurance company will be paying the beneficiary and the nominees the sum assured death benefit. So for example, I'll take an example. Mr. A, he is 30 years of age and he's covered himself for 35 years till 65 years of age. And if something happens to him, let's say at the age of 60, so will insurance company pay his family the death sum assured? Yes. The insurance company will be paying the sum assured to the family in the event of his death. And let's say something happens to Mr. A at the age of 66. So in that case, insurance company will not be paying because the term period which was chosen for the policy was 35 years and it got over at the age of 65. So it will not be covering after that, beyond that. But term insurance, I extremely feel it's important for any and every bread earner of the family who's earning, and people in the family are dependent on his income. So there is no replacement of the person who has died, who's no more. But again, the income can be replaced through term insurance. So that's what the sole purpose of term insurance is. So who actually requires the term insurance? For that matter, life insurance. So not everyone requires life insurance. There are certain set of people who require life insurance, who should be buying term insurance and life insurance. So I'll give you an example of Mr. A and Mr. B. So Mr. A, he has old retired dependent parents. He has a housewife, he has children, and he has a home loan of 50 lakhs. And all the family members, all the 5 family members are dependent on him. Whereas Mr. B, he's single and nobody is dependent on him and he has huge amount of assets. So who in your opinion will require term insurance, will require life insurance for that matter? Of course, Mr. A. So Mr. A will be requiring life insurance because he has a lot of responsibilities. He's bread earner of the family. And Mr. B doesn't require life insurance because nobody is dependent on his income and he has huge amount of assets also. So summarizing who should be actually buying term insurance: one is if you are the bread earner of the family. 2, if you have loans in your name, if you have some debt in your name. 3, one who doesn't have a lot of assets, so they should also be buying term insurance. If you have responsibilities like child education and taking care of the household expenses of your family after you, so then you should be buying term insurance. Now coming on to what is the right time to buy term insurance. So right time to buy term insurance is as early as possible. So earlier the better. Buying a life insurance is like fixing a leak in your roof. The longer you wait, the more expensive it gets. So at the later stages or the higher ages, let's say 40, 45, you may have some lifestyle illnesses. You may have some, health condition may not be the same. The insurance provider may or may not give you the term insurance, or they may charge a higher premium for your term insurance. So earlier the better. You buy at a younger age, the premiums are also lower and the premiums remain same throughout the term. So there'll be 2 benefits. So the premiums will also be lower when you buy at the younger age, and also the premium will remain same throughout the term. So these are the two advantages of buying term insurance at the lower and younger age. Next, moving on to what should be the amount of term insurance cover. So there is no hard and fast rule, or there is no law that says this should be the term insurance cover. But again, human life value cannot be calculated. But there are certain thumb rules wherein we can estimate that this is the amount that will be required in the event of death. So there are a lot of things, lot of factors that needs to be taken into consideration before recommending on the term insurance cover. But I'll share the thumb rule, which is minimum should be 10 times of your annual income and optimal should be 15 to 20 times of your annual income. So for example, if somebody earns 10 lakhs rupees per annum, so in that case, minimum cover he should be targeting is 1 crore, and maximum cover or optimal cover should be 15 to 20 times of the annual income. So which is 10 lakhs into 15 or 20 times, which goes on to 2 crores. And plus any loans and liabilities, any debt that is there, home loan or car loan or any other form of loan, that should be added to the term insurance amount. So this is the ideal term insurance sum assured which should be there on your life. So that was all about term insurance from my side. And the term insurance policy can be bought offline as well as online from all the insurance companies. Almost all the insurance companies have term insurance policy specifically. So you can check out the plans available. So to summarize and take a final call whether you should be buying term insurance or not, just ask 3 questions. If you are looking for your peace of mind, then you should be buying term insurance. If you have family members who are dependent on you and you want to provide cover for them, you want to provide the source of income after you're not there, so then term insurance is for you. If you want cheaper cover, means higher cover at the lower premium, then term insurance is for you. So if you have any questions with regards to term insurance specifically, please share in the comment section. And if you like the video, please like it. It motivates us to make the more videos like these. And if you found it useful, please share it with your friends and family. We would be more than happy. And looking forward to your feedback and comments. And see you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye. Take care. Life insurance is like fixing a roof in your... So next, moving on to next. So